Welcome back to Yachting Viewpoints. Captain Stevie B here. I wanted to do a video of taking Ocean Pearl out of the slip and back in the slip, doing it solo, showing you my viewpoint on how I set the slip up to do that, and just some of the things that I've done to make it easier, because I think pulling into your slip and leaving your slip at your home, you shouldn't have to throw fenders out and lines. It should be all set up for you, and that's my viewpoint. That's what I've done. So let me show you what I've done with the boat on the outside. Here's the aft. This line is dedicated, stays on the dock. Pad here, fender here. You can just take this off. When it comes back, it's ready to put back on. You can see throughout the starboard side of the boat, fender here. Same thing with this line right here. It comes off very easily, and then you can go ahead and put it back on. I've put this here. This is kind of when I line up the boat when I'm in. I know this is right here. I can hold on to if I needed to, but it also lets me know that I'm ready to put that line back on so I can just step out. And the same thing at the starboard side here. All these lines stay on the boat. These are throughout the boat there. I also like to turn the shore power cord power off at the box. So I've already done that. That's done. We come around this way. Unhook the shore power cord. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Tie it up. Now that you have that done, you can then go ahead and start the boat up. Then check your fluids and make sure everything's good to go. I've already done that, so we can skip that part. I've already started the boat up, but I wanted to let you see the outside of what I did to prepare. So let's go back in and start the boat up. I'll tell you, it's a nice day today. All right, follow me back on the boat and we will start this boat up. Okay. Entering the pilot house now. We're going to start the boat up with the Z Commander controls. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to activate them. Now, since we're going to be on the fly bridge, we'll go ahead and activate it now from here. There we go. We've activated the Z Commander controls. Now we're going to start the boat up. To start the boat up, you have a stop, you have a start. We're going to go ahead and turn it, and we're going to do the start. You notice the alarm goes on. That's telling you that, basically there's no oil pressure, nothing, but then when you start the boat, it stops. So anytime this goes on, or sounds the alarm when you're running the boat, you probably should shut that engine down. Same thing with this. We're going to turn the key, start the engine, and now we're ready to go. That looks pretty good. So on the fly bridge, I'm actually going to activate the controls on the fly bridge because that's where we're going to be taking the boat out from. Pushing this button here on the Z Commander controls, it lights this up, letting me know that now I have control up here. We're going to check the bow thruster and make sure it works. We're going to turn it on. You turn on it by pushing the on button at the same time. And now we're going to try to port. And we got bow thruster to port. And now to starboard. And you can see you just hit a little bit, you just go a little bit. So we definitely got it to starboard also. Alright, so that's good to go. Now we're going to do the lines and get going. Okay, with this part of the video, I probably won't do a lot of talking. You'll just kind of be watching me get the lines ready so we can pull out. boat now. A little bit of port reverse. Channel, and you can see we have some sailboats out here. They do have the right of way, so we'll be cautious of them. And I think Captain Stevie B is going to let you just look around with some views and just kind of get a good view of the Columbia River. It's a nice big day. Captain Stevie B is going to log out for now, and we're going to do another video on getting back into the marina in the slip. I hope you maybe had some pointers, and maybe you can adjust your slip or maybe change it up a little bit. So I appreciate you coming along with this little handling adventure video, and Captain Stevie B out. We'll see you next time.